Hey guys, today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to reverse out of a parking bay. Step 1. Check for other cars on the road behind you. Sometimes your view might be blocked by other cars. Step 2. Make sure to keep your wheels straight. Step 3. Reverse slowly while checking for other cars on the road. Step 4. Reverse until the front bumper of your car aligns with the rear of the cars beside you. Step 5. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 6. Reverse until your car's right headlight aligns with the right rear light of the car in front. Step 7. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left and slowly align yourself parallel to the road. Step 8. Turn your steering wheel straight and slowly drive out of the parking space. Congratulations! Now you know how to reverse out of a parking space. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.